Hey there, planning a trip to China soon? Great news for English-speaking travelers. You can enjoy 144 to 240 hours of visa-free transit in China easily in the next 6 minutes. I'll walk you through the latest 2025 visa-free policy details. Who's eligible? What documents you need to prepare? And the on-site processing step-by-step. Whether you're traveling to Guangzhou, Shanghai, Xi'an, or Chengdu, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. Which entry ports are available? Major international airports like Guangzhou Baiyun Airport, Shanghai Pudong Airport, Xi'an Qianyang Airport, and Chengdu Shuangliu Airport all support this policy. If you're arriving by land or sea, some border ports also qualify. Details are in the subtitle links for your reference. Now, the most crucial part, the on-site processing process. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps, and each step only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Locate the visa-free counter. After landing, follow the signs for visa-free transit counter or transit without visa. All signs have English labels, so you won't get lost. If you're not sure, feel free to ask the airport staff. Most of them speak basic English. Tip 2. Submit required documents. You need 3 key documents. Valid passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your entry date. Round-trip flight tickets, electronic tickets are acceptable. Just show the confirmation email on your phone. Hotel booking confirmation with your full name and stay dates. Then, fill out a simple entry registration form. The form is available in English, so no need to worry about language barriers. Step 3. Document review. The customs staff will review your documents. This process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. They might ask basic questions like your travel purpose or itinerary. Just answer truthfully. Step 4. Pass customs inspection. Once your documents are approved, you can proceed to customs inspection. Don't forget to take back your passport and all documents after the review. Then you're all set to start your China trip. That's all for the 2025 China Visa-Free Transit Guide. If you need the full PDF version of the document checklist and port contact information, just DM us with the keyword Visa-Free China. Thanks for watching and seeing you in China.